Caitlin, welcome back to my channel. So if you saw my most recent Get Ready With Me, which was hopefully posted a while ago, you might recognize this face and hair because I have no idea what my hair looks like then and now and who knows. This is my dia&co unboxing. At least I actually noticed that my last box wasn't what I wanted. They have, if you're unaware, dia&co is a clothing subscription box. You pay 20 bucks for a styling fee. If you buy anything, you get it back. If you want to send anything back, you send it back in the bag that they give you. And if you buy everything, you get like 25% off. So I'm going to be getting, in this box, I have jeans, a bottom, a denim jacket, an embellished top, and a sleeve blouse. Okay. For a total of $312. $312. So if you minus the 20 and you minus the 25, which is 78, if I bought everything, I would pay $214. So almost $100 less, $98 less, which, you know, if these are 5 amazing things, might be worth it. We'll see. But I have basically a denim jacket. Well, it's a vest with like other sleeves, and I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. They're ankle zip jeans. I don't know what that means. Let's try it all on, shall we? Okay, so what I'm wearing now is the Elaine Grace tabbed sleeve blouse. Okay, so it's, I got a tab sleeve. So they gave you one rolled down, one rolled up in black and gold. I don't see any gold. In size 2X for $49. Do we see what it's doing to my boobs? Since it's like this polyester thin material, like it's squishing them down. Like, that's just weird. And this really large print, again with the large print, no, this is weird. Okay, and the pants, this is the bottom. This is Girl with Curves, Sophie bottom in navy, I guess. Okay, I thought it was black. I guess it is like a blue navy or a black navy. Like, this is a really, really dark navy. Size 18. This is not an 18. Is it? God. For 65. I think I said this was 49, the shirt. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell. Like, I can just barely button and zip this, which I guess is a good thing. And if this had any give in the waistband, I might be able to. Okay, it's got belt loops. It does have pockets, but they're sewn shut. Same with the back of the trouser, they're sewn shut, which I'm like, okay, that I can buy. They're sewn for transit, that's fine. But like, I don't think I can sit in these. I don't know if I'd want to. This is uncomfortable. I mean, I have to be a size 18, but I know I was just thinking, ooh, I want a little less give in the waist so it actually stays up all day, but this is a lot less give in the waist. This is like no stretch in the top of the waistband. And it's weird. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell. Maybe if I move it down a bit. But see, like, the bottom of the waistband here, there's a lot of give. Like, I can like push that out really far. But it's just this very top of the waistband that has like no give in it. Like, literally, like no give. So these jeans, which I think I'm getting these. These are Morgan & Walker. Gotta keep that in mind. Hudson ankle zip jeans. So they're just like normal jeans, but they're ankle length, which, okay, you can't see. But for me, that is perfect. For the short person I am, ankle length is exactly what I want. I don't need longs. I need like petites and shorts, because your girl is short. Olive green, which is so cool. I'm really into like the colored jeans. Size 18. See, look at this. This is an 18 and this is perfect. Probably would stretch out and be a little too loose at the end of the day. And then those are also 18, but I could barely get them done up. Like, what the hell? These fit perfect. And this is has to be the Rafaela Kelly Keyhole embellished top in turquoise and yellow, size 2X for $50. $50? God damn, no. Okay, so this is a 2X, and it's surprisingly a little big in the bust, which is not something that normally happens for me. I like the keyhole. But, and it's comfortable and it covers, like it's nice. But I feel like I'm an 80-year-old woman who picked this out. Like, this is something my grandmother would have worn. Alright, as you can see, this is the last thing. This is cut from the cloth, which is those other jeans that I do love that I just wore yesterday. Peyton deconstructed denim jacket in medium wash, size 2X for $79. It's actually too big. Like, the shoulders are a little too big. The sleeves are a little too long. And there's no oh wait, is that a pocket? No, there's no pockets, you guys. Like, there's no pocket. Why? Like, if I'm wearing a jacket, that means it's a little bit chilly. I'm not a model on the runway. Like, I wear a jacket because it's a little bit chilly. And this is really, like, just, like, denim. There's no lining in here. There's no nothing. But, come on. I get weird breast pockets that no one likes, yet they seem to be like everywhere, but no one likes them unless I'm actually on an adventure or like need a secure place to keep my BART card or something and I don't have a wallet, which I probably would. Like, I'm not gonna use these. I get, supposedly, if you have, like, I mean, I guess I could button this, that's kind of nice, but honestly, how weird does that look? Like, that just, it looks like I'm a little, I can't even button this, God. Like, it just looks like I'm a little girl dressed up in, like, mom or dad's jacket. Like, breast pockets like these come, like, look how detailed this is. There's a flap and a button and, like, these little flap, like, what the hell? Why would you spend time and energy on these and not actually give me pockets where I want them, where I want to keep my chapstick, where I want to keep my keys or my phone or my wallet or my hands? Like, if I'm wearing a jacket, it's because it's cold. And I'm not going to button this up unless I'm desperate, because that's just going to, like, look weird. And, guys, so close. So close. If it had pockets, even if it still had these pockets, I probably would have bought this, because even with the sleeves a little too long, if this had pockets, I would have bought it. Well, there's no pockets where I want pockets. All right, I'll let you guys go. I'll see you again another time. And as always, be well, be happy, be healthy, and go pet a cat. Bye.